The way she was holding on and everything for like dear life.
MotoBros and girls, welcome back to another video. So, to start out, my sister-in-law has been bugging me about this stuff called Boba. Me and my brother and my wife have never tried it. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go try ourselves some Boba, put some balls in our mouth, I guess. That's what you weird people do these days. But yeah, we're just gonna cruise. I got the old lady on the back, got my brother with me on the R6. Just gonna go cruise, have a good time, and try some boba and balls. And if I'm not careful, I'm gonna end up in the doghouse. Low key, I wanna do a wheelie with her on the back.
Especially with those handles.
Yeah, with her little handles. Guys, it's been hot literally all week, but today we got some really good weather. It's nice and breezy and sunny. That's the good Cali weather, which is going to be gone soon, and it's just going to be 100 like every single day, which I'm not looking forward to.
That feels strong right now.
Yeah, it feels really good. Hope you guys are having a good day, enjoying the content. Oh god, look at the gas prices. Just keeps going up. I know it's expensive everywhere, but man, here it's just ridiculous, especially in like LA areas and stuff. It's like over $7 a gallon. It's crazy, man. And everything's going up. You can't, I mean, I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, back on a more positive note, let us know if you guys have tried this boba stuff before and what you guys think of it. I don't even know what to get. I'm just gonna rely on my sister-in-law and have her pick for me. Damn, that car is smoking like crazy. Yeah, guys, we're gonna try and do some more content like this where we just cruise around and maybe try different things, different food, different drinks, stuff like that. Let us know if that kind of stuff interests you guys. We're just trying to do a little bit of everything, keep you guys entertained. So let us know if you guys like this kind of style of content. Just cruising around, trying different stuff. Wheelie time.
Wheelie, engage. Oh, my balls.
Yeah, that was a hard one.
Because I freaking lifted really high and then I caught that car. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, they caught up real fast. I did one with her that was pretty decent, but we started going sideways, and my handlebars was like crooked. It's actually not bad, and she's doing pretty well with it. I mean, that's scary stuff, especially being on the back, not being in control. That would scare the crap out of even me.
Yeah, she's not hitting you.
Yeah. It's probably because her little strap on that she has on me right now.
Hey, she wanted to test it. You're testing it.
Yeah. All right, let's get some Boba in us.
Oh yeah, your car's that cool where you have to take out 2 of them, huh?
Right. Should we do it? Nah. I was gonna do VIP motorcycle parking, but there's not that much room. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna try some fresh boba tea. We'll let you know how it is. Alright guys, we're about to try this boba, but we got the boba expert here to educate us on the proper way to indulge this boba.
You gotta shake it first. Make sure it's fully shaken.
Oh yeah,
like
shake it.
shake,
Oh
shake,
yeah.
shake. And then you put your straw near the end. That way, when
Here,
you
show
come
the
into the end of
people.
your boba.
Oh, that was a nice solid pop.
That way you can easily get the rest of the boba when you're almost done.
Alright, you can look at the sexy MT-09 while I try this.
That way you can have your boba.
Tastes like milk. I don't like the balls.
Like balls.
Yeah. That's all in my straw.
Push it back down.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I can't.
I don't like balls.
Just sip them all up.
Ah, I just leaked. Oh, this is so gross.
Because they're stupid. Like my sister.
Guys, don't get boba. It's just nasty. Can you guys see all my my balls on the ground? They drop.
You spit it out.
Such a hard
I spit out my balls, guys. I couldn't do it. My balls are on the floor. Alright guys, we're done with the boba experience. It I don't know. I know there's probably some better ones out there, but at least the classic milk tea, nah. That ain't it, man. That just ain't it. I didn't like it. And I don't like the balls either. That made me nauseous. It's like a freaking snail in your mouth. It's disgusting. But yeah, let us know what you guys think of boba, if you drink that stuff, or if you have any recommendations for when we try it next time or whatever. But yeah, I couldn't finish it. It's just a weird concept. I mean, they did have some other stuff that sounded pretty good, like the honeydew tea or whatever. So I might try one of those next time, but not a fan of the classic milk tea. But my sister-in-law, she got a what was it called? I forget what it was called, but it's basically like powdered green tea in it, and I like green tea. But yeah, hers wasn't bad. But yeah, not a big fan. But I am a big fan of this weather and this breeze, man.
Sorry. I read that one for a while. I had to set it down because I was getting in the opposite lane.
pretty good. Then you catch up with these cars pretty quick.
Yep.
Ooh, gravel. I know. Right here.
Oh yeah, this road.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Ooh, slippery. And that bike slows down way too easy. I had to shoot on the other side of you.
I know, it's crazy. Kind of fun doing wheelies with someone on the back. It's a little bit easier.
That's something I have never done. Oh yeah, it lifted up a few times.
Yeah, I wouldn't stop lifting.
You should see her. She's holding on.
Her face.
The way she was holding on to everything for like dear life. She was like so tense, locked up. Oh my god. Oh, behave. Holy cow.
Uh-oh. Dang. Oh, there's a dog. Was that a dog?
On the ground, but it wasn't. It was because they're just petting it.
I was like, what the heck is going on?
As a dog upside down. I'm glad we weren't being stupid right there.
I know. Alrighty guys, we dropped off the old lady. Time to have a little bit of fun before we end off this video. Just a little bit. No cars. Oop, gravel. Oop, 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 oop. Alright. Well, guys, this Dodge is ruining our fun, so we'll go ahead and end it off there. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a quick little, you know, fun experimental video. Like I said, let us know in the comment section down below if you guys are Boba Tea fans and if you have any recommendations or whatever. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.